Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and today we have another quick unboxing from Rapoo. It's the XK100 Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, um, it's priced at 1,495 pesos, and there hasn't been an announcement where it will be available. I assume it's gonna be available in the standard places like Silicon Valley, PC Express, PC Works, and all the others. So we have it here. We're gonna open it up now. Wait, let's read. Integrated card slot design. Okay, scissor key structure, rechargeable lithium battery, compatible with Windows, Android, Mac, and iOS systems. Intelligently switch among devices. So it's saying you can switch between devices, okay? And it's saying it's using a Bluetooth 3.0 connection, okay? So we're gonna open it up now. Yun, no? Okay, so on the side, may kasama siyang micro USB charger, which we won't touch anymore, okay? And the keyboard itself. Okay, let's close out the box. It's a little bit heavy, no? It's not the standard keyboards that you can buy outside that's so flimsy and so light. This one probably weighs 800 grams. Okay, as you can see, there's a slot here where you can put a tablet or something. And I have my MateBook Pro here beside me, so we're gonna put it, see if it's gonna fit. Okay, and it fits perfectly, okay, with some space left on the side. You can still reach the buttons here. Okay, the charging port is here on the right side, and there seems to be a switch here. I assume this is the power on. Okay, yes, it's on right now. So we're gonna put the MatePad Pro. Okay, press function and C, I assume, and then you can see, oh, there's a Bluetooth band indicator there that's already blinking. Okay, and as you can see, there's a Rapoo BT300. So we're gonna pair right now and see if it's gonna work with the MatePad Pro. Okay, pair. Okay, and there it is. You can see it's connected. We're gonna open a note. Okay, so we have the notepad now, and we're gonna test all the keys. Okay, as you can see, it works perfectly. You don't have to have a separate key holder for the tablet, as it fits the slot perfectly. If you can see here, we're gonna wait. You can see there's iOS, Android, Windows. Okay, so I assume you can use this with a Windows laptop that has a Bluetooth connection. I don't have a laptop right now. The kids have it, all the laptops. There's Bluetooth 1, 2, 3. So I assume there's 3 channels you can connect to. So as you can see, it also has a Windows button here. So if you're using a laptop, probably works the same way, and here it brings out the emoji. As you can see, there's 4 LED indicators here on the right side. This one is for the power, to know if it's on or off. Okay, see, this is most likely the battery indicator. As you can see, there's a battery sign there. This is for the Bluetooth. Okay, so it's telling if the Bluetooth is active or we're pairing or whatever. This is for the caps lock. So when this is on, see, that means your caps lock. This will only work if you're connected to a phone or a tablet. Okay, don't forget to take a look in the instruction manual or the paper that's inside the box, because there are shortcut keys. I don't know if you're able to read it, for Windows, Android, and Mac and iOS, to change your select all, copy, cut, paste, mute, volume up and down, and all those other stuff. So make sure to check it out so you know exactly what the function keys does. So that's our quick unboxing and setup of the Rapoo XK100 Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, so here's a look at the actual keyboard. I think it's about 10 12 inches. Okay, so remember the power switch and the charging port is on the right side, and that's everything that you can see. It's going to be available for 1,495 pesos only. So for those who are using Android tablets or iPads for online schooling this year, this might be a good buy since you might have I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a lot of problems in being able to type properly when using a tablet. Okay, thanks guys, bye.